Hey guys, I'm Mateo with WTI, and let me tell you about this Ultrasoft Curaprox toothbrush set. My dentist recommended both me and my wife to start using these toothbrushes. We have felt great now that we are using them because they really get the job done very well. My mouth feels clean and fresh every time. I feel like this toothbrush reaches even those hard to get angles in my mouth. The bristles are soft, so it's very gentle on my teeth, but also on my gums. So far, I have not gotten any gum bleeds using this brush. Even though the bristles are soft, they are also very well made, great quality, very long lasting. So overall, I think that for their price, these toothbrushes get the job done very well and they really take care of my teeth. And that is my point of view.